Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. So in this video, we will test the three functions which we have already see that insert at beginning, insert at ending and insert in between. So here we open the already created linked list on previous some video. So see here, this is your linked list. Here this is the structure, this is your get node. So by using this get node, we create a single node. Then create function. So by using this create function, we create a singly linked list. Okay, and by using display, we display the each node. And in main function, we call the create and the display function. So first we test this code, compile and the run. So how many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all these 4 nodes are connected to each other. 5, 6, 7, 8, none. Now we have to add some more functionality. So before adding the more functions, now we convert this program into many driven. Here by using do while. So declare one choice variable. So on do, there are some options. So first one is that create linked list. Then on second, display, and on third, exit. And here user ask, enter your choice, scanf, %d, comma and choice. So now pass this choice to this switch case. So if your case is 1, that is start equal to create. Here we create the linked list and the break. If your choice is 2, then display your linked list. Here we pass the start, then break. And if case number 3, here we exit the program. So here while choice is not equal to 3, okay, and declare one header file, that is the std lib.h. So standard library header file. See here again, compile this code. So there is expected expression before colon, line number 61. So see here line number 61. Okay, here choice, here colon, clear, again compile, semicolon expected, line number 65. Here break, compile, run. So see here they show menus, 1 to create, 2 to display, 3 to exit. So enter a choice 1. Okay, now here we create linked list. How many nodes? 4. So my number is that 7, 8, 9 and the 10. Okay, they again enter the menus, enter your choice 2. So display this linked list 7, 8, 9, 10. Again enter your choice 3. Now here we exit the program. So here we add some more choices, because here we insert the 3 functions. So here printf, my third case is that insert at beginning, then fourth case insert at ending, next case insert in between. So exit case number is that the 6. So here exit case is that the 6. So here we call the case number 3. So insert at beginning, start, and this new linked list is again assigned to this start. Again break. So same here, case number 4, start equal to insert at ending, start. Again here break this loop. So case number 5, start equal to insert in between, so start. Here we break the loop. So here we define all these functions before main. So node star insert at beginning. So this is your node start. So here we declare one variable node temp. Temp equal to get node. So temp of next is equal to start, and start equal to temp. Here we return start. Again node insert at ending. So node start. So here declare temp and the PTR to finding the last node. So temp equal to get node. So by using for loop, here for loop have the semicolon. So PTR equal to start, comma, PTR of next is not equal to null, then PTR equal to PTR of next. So by using this for loop, we find the last node. So here PTR of next is equal to temp. Here we return start. So next function is that node star insert in between. So node start. So here we declare node temp PTR and the prev. So here declare one position, printf, enter the position. So scanf and POS. Now by using for loop, we find this position. So I equal to 0, comma, prev equal to start, comma, PTR equal to start. So these three statements are the initialization statements. So semicolon, then condition I is not equal to position. So again last semicolon, prev equal to PTR, comma, PTR equal to PTR of next, comma, I plus plus. So this for loop have a semicolon. Then prev of next is equal to temp, and the temp of next is equal to PTR. So here we return start. So test this code. So first we clear this content, clear. So compile. Semicolon expected, line number 61. So here 61, temp equal to get node. So PTR equal to start, here there is a semicolon. Clear, compile, run. Now first we create a singly linked list, 4 nodes, 5, 6, 7, 8. So choice number 2, we display linked list. So see, my linked list is that the 5, 6, 7, 8 and the null. Now insert at beginning. So my choice is that the 3. Okay, now we have to insert 4 at the beginning. So here break this code. So going to code here, check again. here choice is not equal to 6. Okay, again clear this window, compile, run. First create node. How many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Display choice number 2. So here 5, 6, 7, 8 null. Now insert at beginning choice number 3. Enter data 4. Okay, so again I have to enter choice number 2. See that my new linked list 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 4 is inserted at the beginning. Then insert at ending. So my next choice is that the 4 and new data is that the 9. So see my display 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now insert in between. My choice number is that the 5. So here we start the position from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we enter the 3. Means that new node is inserted before the 7 value. So my position is that the 3. So here exit the code. First we test that. We forget the one statement. So here not using the temp equal to get node. Okay, so create a one node. So again compile and run. So see here, first create how many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then insert. So see first display linked list. So see here 0, 1, 2. Now here we enter the position 2. So see here my insert in between. Now choice is 5. Enter position 2. Okay, so new data 11 is inserted before 7th. So see here after display, see 5, 6, 11, 7, 8. Okay, so here we finish the 3 insert statements: insert at beginning, ending and the between. Here we exit the code. So student, test this code on your machine. So on next video we will see the another 2 functions which are related to insert. So we insert before and then insert after. Okay, so try this code on your machine. If you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.